Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade cashew milk. First, I'm going to start with some cashews that I soaked overnight, add them to my blender with a little bit of salt and water. You can also add some sweetener to this, such as dates or maple syrup, but since I'm using this for savory cooking, I won't be. After blending for a few minutes, I'm going to take a plant milk bag and put it over a large bowl and then pour in the cashew milk and squeeze out all the liquid until it's separated from the pulp. Definitely don't throw out that pulp. You can use it for baked goods or make a vegan cheese out of it. I made a quick vegan ricotta out of mine and it came out really delicious. Lastly, I'm going to pour the cashew milk into an airtight container. It will last in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. It doesn't last as long because there's no preservatives, but it's super creamy and delicious and a great way to reduce your waste.